Thank you, sirs, for doing the honor. Thank you, Dr. Michael Owen.
As Emeritus Fellow and Visiting Professor RCU Belgaum and Adjunct Faculty in GIT Belgaum and COPI Research Project MRU KMS Hubli. And she is postdoctoral in IIT Madras in 1976 and 77, Pune University in 1977 to 1980, and Germany UNESCO DAD 1984-85, DAD 1992 to 95, 2002 to 2004, and UMIST UMIST Manchester in UK 1995, USA in 2004, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2011, and 2017. And he earned a lot of awards and Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, FRSC 2023, CSIR Visiting Scientist in 92 to 94, NCL Pune, CSMRC Bhavanagar, India, Visiting Professor in Washington University in St. Louis 2007 to 8 in USA, and Silver Medal Indian Association of Solid State Chemistry and Allied Science in ISCAS 2001. And now I would like to give the time to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir,
Thank you very much.
if you start your introduction, it will not end today. Okay? Introduction will not end today. That much of work you have done. Okay? So,
Anyway,
thing
thank you
is,
very
sir
much.
is fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, UGC Emeritus Professor.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
With your kind permission, one announcement. For the audience, please. Simultaneously, we are conducting parallel sessions of oral presentation for different streams. So, in room number 4, please note, in room number 4, there will be oral presentation for stream 1 and stream 2. I hope you know what is meant by stream 1 and stream 2. So, stream 1 is for regarding that research culture at UG level. Next, in so room number 5, once again there is stream 2 and stream 2. In the sense, we have divided that stream 2 itself into 3 batches because of large number of participants. Okay? So please note once again, in room number 4, those who are presenting the paper on stream 1 should be present. Soon after the completion of presentation of stream 1, in the same hall, we will continue for stream 2. Next, room number 5, there will be stream 2, 2 batches. And room number 8, again stream 2, 3rd batch, and another 4th batch, stream 2. And in the last room number 9, there will be stream 4. So please decide yourself from which stream you are, or it's already put in the WhatsApp group. So please meet the coordinates there and try to wind up the presentation within lunch hour. Please.
Good afternoon and good morning. Dr. I.K. Naik he has been pestering me long back, come and give a talk or something like that. And then he said that there is a conference, and initially he didn't give me the title of the conference. So in the last some 10, 15 days back, he gave me the title, a very imposing title it was. But then how to articulate your talk? See, we are used to talking about our own research somewhere and go and give the talk and get the feedback from the people. But this is something, a different type of title and different perspective the conference wants. Then, okay, I said, I'll come. Then whole day yesterday I sat through and I got more ideas about that one. And it's incubated in such a manner that today I can talk something about that one, talk about that. Though I have prepared my slides and so on, but the very first slide which I prepared yesterday night, after listening to our stalwarts here, our Dr. Yuri Petnev, okay? He concluded lot many things he has told, and he concluded, India has a great capacity of brain power, I agree with you. But requires more research possibilities. Yeah, it's not that simple. That whatever he has concluded is not that simple. That is coming from a young man, from a different culture and all things, and he is putting us, throwing a ball on our face. Then Madam Kim only, okay. She told that one should discover, investigate, unfold. That proceeds further, But she made a very nice thing about that. Act locally, think globally. What a fantastic way. I mean, you will not appreciate that one when now I'm stressing upon, though she has made that remark and also, but I'm stressing upon her. Think locally. I'm in Kumta, I should think about local. Don't think about this one. Then let us see whether it is globally visible or not. Then Madam Lilavati, of course, she is a professor, and I had no words for that one. She said that educate, encourage, enlighten. Triple E. Then somewhere she told that I had to catch hold of that book. I don't know. What did you ask today in school? Mama asked the child. Mama asked child, what did you ask today? This is something, sorry, I didn't come across that book any time, but since you told, this is how we come across when we come to conference or somewhere. That is something very, very nice for everybody. Whether you are a small child or a young man, tomorrow your children will be there, all those things. Okay, fine. Dr. M.J. Hegde, of course, my colleague at Rani Chennamma University, and I study here. He gave a very philosophical way, and it's difficult to understand for a common man. It's a very difficult. Even I could not understand much. But what he said, one should have interest, then involvement. Says involvement is a very important. He stressed upon that one with the various narration and imagination. So these are the catchwords, rather. It's a catchword for youngsters, I mean. And passive learning, passively conducting experiments, and passive writing. This I have touched upon in my slide also. I'll elaborate that also, and that will put a lot of this one in your brain also. Professor B.G. Mulimani, of course, I cannot make any comment on that one. Yeah, today's paper also it has come. So one should think about that one. So because by words I cannot, I'm a small man in front of him. So try to emulate what he has told. Yeah, that is okay. Then when Professor A.K. Naik told me about the topic and all those things, I said how to do. And normally we go in a literature survey in a simple way. That will give the whole things for us. And there's a 2018 an article. Many people touched upon that one. Many people touched upon mentoring undergraduate projects. Oh, sorry, one in between I have forgot to tell about he touched upon this one. Sorry. He said that provide the enabling environment. You understand? That is something a very $1 billion worth question it is. Then let research be the part of curriculum, something is fine. And catch them young. That's fine, very nice. Yeah, I just forgot it. Okay, mentoring undergraduate projects can be quite stressful. But with the proper groundwork, appropriate goals, and clear communication, the mentorship role would be worth taking, as the undergraduate research can benefit an entire academic department, not only Kumta department, the university also. You are preparing for that particular purpose. From undergrads to postdocs to faculty, and even the field, in the field and community at large. This is 2018 article. Now I shall come to that one. They had not just like that written that the article. They have taken survey of researchers at the undergraduate level of nearly 15,000 respondents done between 2003 and 2005 revealed a direct correlation between students' research opportunities and the likelihood that the student would pursue an advanced degree. It's a survey. So we are telling you, this one to do some research, something fine, but there should be vision what for you are going to do. Survey further revealed that the undergraduates who had participated in the task demonstrated an increased understanding, confidence and awareness, and found more interest in pursuing research career further. More satisfying revelation of this survey is that the students indicated research aptitude which was initially missing in them. So this is what we had to infuse now in the students. We had to infuse. 6 steps are there. 6 steps. Like 7 commandments type. 6. Start strong. Jointly design clear, establish goals and metrics for feedback. This is for the teachers. Put yourself in their shoes. As a teacher, I had to go down to their level. Don't bring them to your level. Treat all students like colleagues. Yeah. Actively mentor students. Be willing to put in little extra time. Not that 9 to 5 or something like that. On extra time. It's self-motivation. Nobody, principal should not tell you work after 5:30 or so. Give undergraduates the opportunity to be first author. See, it happens nowadays. It's a very nice, I think this survey has done and it's given, it's a 2018. The last one, give undergraduates the opportunity to be first author. It's a magnanimous way of putting yourself. Not you put your, yes, somebody suggested that one. Maple or something, somebody was telling some about that fellow's, this one paper was published by and his name was put in the, yeah, something like that. Yeah? Okay. What I did. Yeah. Now this is very important, that's what I wanted my stalwarts here to listen to that one. Yeah. Goa is the only state in India, it's not my wording, huh? It's not my wording, that has research and development cell in the higher education institutions with the following aims and objectives. It's appeared on November 27 in Naveen Times. Okay, so it is documented. It's not that my words are something. The objective is that promote research in every discipline at every level of education. Yeah. Provide financial support as well as support for human resource development by providing continuous training to research and faculty at the college level. These are government stipulations, it is. It's not mine. Government is working on that one. Goa government is doing that one now. Through such promotion, make Goa knowledge hub. See, this is very important, knowledge hub, something like that. Otherwise, Goa is known for Feni. How many of you know about Feni? Okay. Over the years, institute can build research profile which will help them in applying for national and international funding agencies. What a vision the Goa government has. So this tells everything about your conference. At Goa University now, I'll come to that one. I served there for more than 25 years. At Goa University, 20 years ago, at least the chemistry teaching departments of the colleges affiliated to Goa University were motivated to introduce research culture at the least, but one semester. At the last but one semester. If it's sixth semester, the fifth semester. This we motivated some 20 years ago. I was head also that time, and I was dean also that time, and other people were supporting us. Then we said that let college people, though it is not in the credit course or something, you begin something. And they give small project something, because some small project, the research findings were being scrutinized in each college by way of oral and poster presentation. Is a college level it is. The best 3 posters were being asked to submit to the University Department of Chemistry. Okay. The selected posters of the college of the university were being displayed in the university department and asked the colleges to send their representative to one-day seminar. Understand? And some oral presentations were also begun. So we began that way, and that is going on very strongly. Now, this is very important. The students who pursued their education at postgraduate level now, then came forward to continue their undergraduate research in the last semester of PG research, in the PG research project. We have 4 semesters, the semester full project. So they incubated at the graduation level only, and they came and said, I want to do. Not that you give me the problem. That is how they understood that they have to come with the problem, not the teacher giving a problem. And that is how you have to build that particular thing. Further, it was observed some students who continued their education up to PhD level with the same problem pursued the similar type of the work which had been initiated at the graduation level. So whatever the survey says, we have already done that one. You understand my point? Outcome. With such strong initiation today, the college teachers, please note, Professor Naik, please note this one. With such strong initiation today, the college teachers are being recognized as research guides. College teachers. At Goa government, and Goa government has made the colleges to come together, pool the facilities of all the colleges. A cluster of colleges are there now. Madam, you should put this one in a government level. It's a government college. You know, you can put that one. Kumta, Honavar, Karwar, all those. So you come together in a small way. A cluster. Your facilities, if they are not there, you can go to Karwar or Honavar or Bhatkal or whatever it may be. Or at the most, you can go to university level. It's a cluster. At least you can pool them. Cluster of colleges are going, and I'll come to next. Oh. These cluster of colleges now, the Goa government is giving some money, seed money to initiate research. Also, they send them for training. Apart from UGC, this is their Goa government initiation. They are being sent to various institutes like IISc Bangalore, IISc Hyderabad, or anywhere. Okay, now my part is over. I wanted stalwarts to listen to me this much only. Yeah? Now the real fun will come now, because nobody has touched upon that one. What they have to do at level, at the graduation level, we are told, you have to do, you have to do, you have to do. What you have to do? Nobody has touched upon that one. What to begin? How to begin? What they have to, I mean, all youngsters are there. Yeah, so be simple and let us think high. Now, traditionally at undergraduate level, students follow well-tested since ages protocol of laboratory exercises with known results. Yeah, all chemistry people are doing that one. Acid-base titration, already the protocol is known, already results also known, finish. The students do passively and write passively by taking the last year journal. That's all. This is going on at not only undergraduate, even postgraduate also. And same mistake, grammatic mistake, what the last year journal has done, same thing is repeated here. It means they are not at all applied in any mind. Forget about why that experiment is asked them to do. And somebody, I think somebody has touched upon that one. Somebody, yeah, Hegde Sahab. Hegde touched upon that one. Passively we are doing. And if the passive thing continues for the students at the BSc 1, BSc 2, you will not think about any research or anything you want to do. So you have to begin, throw that last year's experimental procedure, throw it. Ask teacher to tell something different from a textbook, something textbook experimental. Discuss that one, ask students to write their own procedure, theoretical part. That is the research. Somebody, I mean, what I.K. Naik said that wash the beaker, wash the burette, that's okay, fine. But ask students at this level only, the experiments you are doing, how many of you are BSc chemistry, physics, or how many of you? Passively students carry out such experiment and present that in their journal most of the time, copying previous year's journal. If you do this one, I think that culture will not come any time. And that's what our friend said, that research possibilities. We cannot have research possibilities. Sorry. Absolutely sorry. If you are asking the students to write the same experiment last 100 years ago, acid-base reaction, phenolphthalein. That's all. What you are learning? Again they are writing, the journal is signed by them, finish. So if this culture is there at BSc first year, then what you are going to tell them? I don't think, I'm very cutthroating in that way. We cannot develop any culture of research. So try to get rid of that particular thing, at least small way. Yeah, my talk now, my topic. Environment-related research project to tackle at the collegiate level only. Waste water treatment. Now the water is the biggest issue. and nobody has been told by them. These people prepare the acid-base titration, finish, throw it in the sink. Prepare dichromate and everything, throw it in the sink. The sink goes water, goes somewhere in the water body. That water body is taken by the municipality, little bit treatment, which we don't know how they treat, and same water you are drinking. Tell that one to the student, don't throw in the sink. 11 years ago, I had come to Baliga College. There was 150th year of Vishweshwaraya's birth anniversary. I was called through the government of Karnataka from Goa. And I had touched upon the same thing that time also. Somebody came, the student who has done PhD also now. I don't know whether she is here. So environment is a big problem. Water, simple water, my Kumta water. Whether I can drink it or not. Give it that problem to students, no? Why you are giving the acid-base titration? In India, 80% of the surface water is polluted. Tell this one to the students. 75% of water pollution is from the domestic sewage. You are throwing in the gutter. Not a chemical industry, they are there 5%. They are doing their own job of treatment. But you are throwing all the waste into the water. Pollutants include chemicals, trash, bacteria, and parasites. How many of you know about it? There is a World Water Day every year we celebrate on March 22nd. None of your college people know about it. Nobody tells. It's insignificant. One day, no, like Father's Day, Mother's Day, like this is a water day. That's all. World Water Day in 2021, that time report, today 1 in 3 people live without safe drinking water. So maybe he is drinking safe, we too are not drinking safe. Or all are not drinking safe water. So this is how you start. Just be simple, think simple and then think little high about it. And this is manageable. Even after 5 o'clock, you can call student, Baba, you bring that well water, that well water, let us see. That's sufficient, that's all. The student will think, Arey Baba, my well in my village is not drinkable. Then he will understand my science, I have to learn something. Then acid-base titration, what he will go and tell his mother, yeah, or father. Indian scenario, India is the 6th largest chemical producer in the world and 3rd biggest in Asia. Very good, fantastic, fabulous. Why not? We are the great. Yeah, everybody says, no, we are great in the economy. Another 20 years, we will be 3rd biggest economy, 4th, whatever it may be. Yeah. But that chemicals are released in the water. Have anybody has seen how they are treating? Nobody. Yeah. India exports pharma products to 200 plus countries. During COVID time, we used to say, we are the people, fed everybody the medicine or vaccine. Oh, great. But that small molecule must be there in the water that we are drinking. Yeah? That nobody bothers about it. Water is the main medium in the chemical industry and in its utility. So water is the main. Okay. Tell students something, this is out of their syllabus, you can call them and give a little bit about it. It doesn't tax, no? Does it tax us? It's a story. So that much you can initiate for research purpose, no? Then student will think, oh, my water is not good. There is an Indian standard for drinking water, and you can see, yeah.